When starting out in woodworking, remember these 5 essential tips. First, always measure twice and cut once. It saves you time and materials. Second, invest in quality tools. They make a world of difference in precision and ease. Third, practice safety. Wear goggles and keep your workspace tidy to avoid accidents. Fourth, don't rush the process. Patience leads to better craftsmanship. Finally, embrace mistakes. They're your best teachers. Each error is a step toward becoming a skilled woodworker. Happy crafting!